So let's say you want to automate it a little bit more in MixItUp by changing scenes and automatically changing your game, right? That is also pretty damn easy, believe it or not. I have it set up as an action group, so I can throw it onto my stream deck, but you can technically do this as a chat command or anything you would ever want. But let me show you real quick. I have it set as action group, as I said, so I can throw it onto my stream deck. Let me just open my stream deck software so I can show you how I have it. I'm stupid. I have it, so I have the BattleBit command group right here. So let's open BattleBit. I have one command, which is the streaming software. In this case, OBS Studio. You have to properly connect that. I don't have that right now because I'm just recording. But you have to re-enable the OBS Studio connection. You need a plugin for OBS and everything. So action, scene, BattleBit. And I have it set to wait a little bit. VTuber Studio, run command, throw me into the in-game zoom like I am right now in the corner. And then tell Twitch to set the game to BattleBit Remastered. So in this case, you would switch to the BattleBit scene, wait 0.6 seconds, so the stinger is running in my case. While the stinger is up, I am getting zoomed into the bottom corner of the screen, and Twitch is also changing the game. So if I am in just chatting and I have BattleBit booted up, I press that button and it instantly changes me to the BattleBit scene and sets my stream to be a BattleBit stream. And you can do that with basically any category you would ever want. And the interesting thing is you could technically, let me just close these down, you could technically add another Twitch command, type, where do we have it? Set custom tags. You could set all of these tags as you would like. And once the command runs, MixItUp changes all of your stream's tags. Just like this. It is very easy and very convenient if you ask me. So why would anybody sleep on this? Other than maybe because it is too complicated. Which it is not. My English is failing me, so this is the perfect cue for me to wrap this up. You guys stay safe and see you next time. Bye bye.